Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Showmax subscription. So let us get in. You want to jump into showmax.com, and on the top right hand side you want to either sign in if you have an account, or you want to tap on get started. Here you will be prompted to enter in your details, and if you do have an account, you can just jump into your account settings on the top right hand side, and you will be able to upgrade your account straight from there. Of course, if you're using the entertainment, if you go into the entertainment plan, you can upgrade from mobile to all devices, and with the other plans as well, such as the Premier League, you'll be able to upgrade to the mobile with the Premier League. And if you have the entertainment and Premier League, you'll be able to upgrade to all devices, and then mobile, and then the Premier League plan of 69. If this was helpful, you can drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.